I got an unboxing for you today. It's the MX 5500 Revolution keyboard and mouse. They're both wireless, and the mouse has a rechargeable stand. So it's got a screen on it, and it shows a bunch of different stuff: temperature in the room, what you're playing. It's got a calculator, shows how many emails you have, and it works with Bluetooth. So let's see what's in here. This out. There's the keyboard right on top, and you got discs. For this desktop, MX 5500 Revolution, start guide, and then drivers. Comes with 4 Duracell batteries. That's for the keyboard. Then this is the rechargeable stand for the mouse. So there's that little power brick. Put your mouse right in there. Here's the mouse. So you got a quick magnify button right there, scroll ball, then 2 buttons right here, and then a ball right here, 2 buttons. So there's the mouse, and it's a laser mouse, and it fits right in here like that. That's how it charges. So there's that. And then you got your little Bluetooth connector right there. So let's take a look at the keyboard. So there's the keyboard. Very quiet. You can barely hear that. Then you got some quick buttons here: media center, photo gallery, and then your gadgets button. And you can use the Windows Vista feature right there that puts all your windows in a different view. Then you got zoom, and then all your media control keys. And then there's the screen. So there's the keyboard. So it's very nice. Now I have the Logitech G15 right now, and if you can see, compared to the G15, this is a little bit smaller here. So you can see there, it's a lot shorter. So that's going to be better on my desk, I think. So there's your keyboard. So thank you for watching, and please check out my channel and check out my other videos that are related to tech, and stay tuned for more.